It's nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man.
Hello, mothers and fathers out there. I want to try to talk to you for a second about helping you with your son and creating a great man in this world for him to do good things. I wrote 4 books that I believe will help him find his way through the world, navigating and becoming a great man. And they're very short books. They're not, long or overbearing. It's common sense information, plain talk that everyone can understand. And if you buy it for him, I think he'll learn to respect that decision that, you gave him something to read. Most kids don't want to read, but you gave him something to read. And this is going to be a very defining moment in his life because you want to help him become a great man. So mothers and fathers, don't be afraid. Buy the books and give them to your son, the young man in your life that you want to help become a great man. It's well worth it, I believe.
Becoming a father is a life-altering experience. It is a journey filled with immense joy, profound challenges, and constant learning. Each child is unique, each family dynamic is different, and the path to becoming a great father is paved with both triumphs and mistakes. The moments that truly define fatherhood are often unscripted and unexpected. Embracing the unpredictable nature of fatherhood is essential. It is about letting go of the need for perfect control and instead being present in each moment. The journey to becoming a great father is not about striving for perfection, but rather about striving to be the best father you can be for your child. Despite the absence of a definitive guidebook, aspiring fathers often seek wisdom and support from various sources. They may turn to their own fathers, mentors, or friends who have navigated the waters of parenthood. Books, articles, and online forums offer a wealth of information, providing insights into child development and parenting styles. The key is to gather information, filter it through your own values and beliefs, and adapt it to your specific circumstances. Sharing experiences and exchanging advice with other fathers can provide a sense of camaraderie and reassurance. Connecting with other fathers can offer a space for learning, growth, and mutual encouragement. Fatherhood is a dynamic and ever-evolving journey that transforms alongside your child's growth. From the moment a child is born, their needs and demands change rapidly, requiring fathers to adapt and adjust their parenting approach. Fathers play a crucial role in nurturing their child's growth, providing a secure and loving environment where they can thrive. As children enter their preschool years, fathers become active participants in their education, encouraging their curiosity. The transition into adolescence brings new challenges and rewards. Fathers become mentors and confidants, guiding their children through the complexities of puberty and social relationships. Throughout each stage of a child's life, the role of a father evolves to meet their changing needs. While the unpredictable nature of fatherhood makes it impossible to prepare for every eventuality, there are steps that aspiring fathers can take to lay a solid foundation. Planning for fatherhood is about preparing mentally, emotionally, and financially for the responsibilities that come with raising a child. One crucial aspect of preparation is open and honest communication with one's partner. Discussing expectations, hopes, and fears about parenthood can help align values and create a shared vision for the future. Reflecting on one's own childhood experiences can provide valuable insights into your own approach to fatherhood.
Hello everyone. Life is very short, but if we had great information that would help us navigate through this life in a much faster, much better way, that would be a great thing. And I have 4 books that I believe will help young men become great men. So look it up. Don't hesitate. Just look at the books, see if they have information in there that'll help you become a great man. will help your son, mothers and fathers, for him to become a great man. Life's too short, and if you get information fast enough, you can enjoy life much better. My books will help you do that, I believe.
Equipping Future Fathers, a comprehensive curriculum for fatherhood. Imagine a curriculum that covers a wide range of topics, from the basics of child development and nutrition to effective communication strategies. Picture workshops on positive discipline, emotional intelligence, and the importance of a father's involvement in a child's education. By providing future fathers with a solid foundation, such a program could empower them to approach parenthood with greater confidence and knowledge. From cradle to college, navigating the milestones of fatherhood. Fatherhood is a journey marked by countless milestones, each representing a new stage in a child's development. From the first tentative steps to the excitement of graduation day, these milestones are opportunities to celebrate achievements and offer guidance. Fathers can foster curiosity by engaging in playful activities, reading together, and encouraging their child's interests. Adolescence brings its own set of challenges, as children navigate the complexities of identity formation and peer pressure. Fathers can provide a listening ear, offer guidance without judgment, and encourage open communication. The weight of responsibility, financial preparedness in fatherhood. The financial responsibilities of raising a child are significant and ever-present. Creating a realistic budget that accounts for the costs of housing, food, healthcare, education, and extracurricular activities is crucial. Setting aside funds for a child's future education is another significant financial consideration. Financial preparedness also involves making responsible decisions about childcare, transportation, and housing. By taking proactive steps to secure their financial future, fathers can provide their children with a stable and secure environment. Fatherhood, a 24/7 commitment. Fatherhood is not a part-time job. It is a 24/7 commitment that requires unwavering dedication, patience, and resilience. From the moment a child is born, their needs become a top priority. Fathers are called upon to be caregivers, protectors, providers, and role models, often juggling multiple responsibilities simultaneously. However, amidst the challenges, there is an unparalleled sense of purpose and fulfillment that comes with being a father. The love between a father and child is a bond that transcends words, a connection that deepens with each passing year. The enduring legacy, the profound impact of a great father. The impact of a great father extends far beyond the walls of the family home. Fathers have the power to inspire, to guide, and to leave an enduring legacy that will forever be etched in the hearts of their children. When fathers are actively involved in their children's lives, they create a ripple effect that extends outward, influencing their children's relationships and overall well-being. Being a great father is not about perfection. It's about presence, consistency, and unconditional love. The greatest gift you can give your children is the gift of your time, your love, and your unwavering belief in their potential.
Hello everyone. I want to thank you for watching my videos. And I would ask that you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and comment so that I know I'm helping somebody by you commenting on them, liking them, or subscribing to my channel. This way I can get more coverage and reach more people. So thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
Yeah, more than a man, it's nothing to play with. More than a man, takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, as some